Wonder what I do, whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do, I do, I do. What I like, I do, I do, I do. What I like, I do, I do, I do. What I like, I do, I do. I think this bad bitches is a gift from God. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me.
So today's video is my favorite type of video, and it is my monthly favorite. I can talk a lot, and makeup is definitely one of the subjects that I love talking about, which is why I love these products. And I love when you just find really good products, because Lord knows I spend a lot of money on makeup, and I appreciate when my money was well spent and it is a quality product. So I know that there are so many makeup items out there, which is another reason I do these videos, so you guys can at least get to hear my opinion. My opinion might not mean shit to you, but hopefully as time goes on, you'll trust my opinion, because I have no reason to lie. I have not made any money off of YouTube, and I have spent way too much. But it's because I love making these videos. Like, making these videos make me happy, and I do what I like, I do, I do, I do. It would feel like, at first when I started, it felt so weird to like get dressed up and like have all these bright lights and just talk to nobody, but now it would feel weird like if I didn't. Like, I look forward to it. Anyways, see, I can talk. So these are gonna be my July favorites, and I am very fond of July since it's my birthday month. Shout out Cancers. So let's get into the favorites, but first, if you do like this video and these types of videos, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I will continue to do them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the favorites. I'm always a little crazy, but it just takes me a while to open up. I'm very shy at first. Okay, I will start with skincare. So, the first product I am going to talk about is this. I put lotion on it and I grabbed the bottle. This PIXI Glow Tonic, and it is exfoliating toner. This bottle was like $35, so it's, the one in Target is like $15, but I mean, that's still kind of a lot of money for a toner. But I got a sample of it in my IPSY a couple months ago, I think, and then I remembered how much of a difference it makes. I'm like, I have to buy this. So this is a great toner. It's not too harsh, but you can definitely feel a difference, and it brightens your skin, and I use it every day. It has 5% glycolic acid to remove dead skin cells. I've been having a lot of acne from these wax strips I tried, and this has made such a huge difference in the time I was having the breakouts. And I just, especially in the summer, because I'm so dry already, in the summer it's even worse, and like my skin will literally like peel off when I'm doing my makeup if I don't exfoliate enough. So this definitely helps with this. It's just like glow in a bottle, but it's also good for your skin. I don't know how else to describe it. Moving on. The next product is this GLAMGLOW INSTAMUD 60-second pore refining treatment. I am a huge lover, supporter, fan of GLAMGLOW, the brand itself and its products. I think they are amazing. Like the most amazing skincare products I've ever used. Like GLAMGLOW products, I can actually tell a noticeable difference in my skin afterwards. Yes, they can be a little pricey, but they are worth it. I mean, think of all the money you spent on skincare and seeing like no results. Of course, this came out, I had to try it. Anything GLAMGLOW, I'm like, yes please. And it is the bomb. It is awesome. It is bright purple. I don't know if you can see on it. And it goes, you put a thin layer on, and then it's kind of like an oxygenation mask. If you've ever tried one of those, it bubbles. And after 60 seconds, you either wipe it off or rinse it off. And I swear, my pores were smaller. Hardly anything makes my pores look smaller. I'll try all these pore refining and pore minimizing things and I'm like, my pores are the same size. But I actually noticed a difference in my pore size. Plus, it is only, you only have to leave it on for 60 seconds. That's one of the main reasons I don't mask as much as I would like to, because most masks it's like 10 to 20 minutes, and so I don't have time to do that all the time. So this is perfect. It also leaves my skin so smooth and hydrated. When I wipe it off, it feels like I'm like wiping kind of like velvet off. It is, I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it all the time. I'm probably gonna run out of it soon. But I really love this mask. And speaking of wiping it off, so I ordered these facial cloths from Amazon, 4-pack, and 10x10 premium microfiber cloth from Amazon, because like up until now I've just been using like regular washcloths. Oh my god, when I say there is a huge difference, I mean there is a huge difference. Like, I didn't think a washcloth could make that much of a difference, but it did. So this has this is the exfoliating side, and then this is the smooth side. So like when I exfoliate my lips, before I put my lip scrub on, I would take a washcloth and rub my lips really hard with it to get the excess skin off. When I use the exfoliating side on my lips, oh my god, it comes off so easy. I would have to like dig at my lips before with my washcloth to get it to come off. This, it's like nothing. It's like nothing. And then I put my lip scrub on, and then I'll do it with this again, and my lips are so smooth. All the dead skin is off. It's amazing. And then like I'll wash like the GLAMGLOW mask off with, I'll wet this with warm water and wash it off, and it is just so smooth and so absorbent, and I will never go back to regular washcloths again. I think it was like $12 for 4 of them. Alright, speaking of GLAMGLOW, I want to talk about this GLAMGLOW, what is it called? GLAMGLOW Glow Powder Hyaluronic Acid Infused Glow Palette. And I love this packaging, by the way. It's like a rubber, but just pink, and it says glow. Hello. Obsessed. So it has 3 highlighters in here, and it says infused with hyaluronic acid, Brazilian golden clay, golden gemstones, and a Teoxy Vitaflower Complex. These blendable, buildable powders diffuse light, blur imperfections, and smooth, refine, and enhance the look of your skin. It includes Pearl Glow, Nude Glow, and Sun Glow. And it says all shades are infused with GLAMGLOW signature fragrance. So if you've ever tried their like Glow Starter Moisturizer or the GLAMGLOW Glow Setter, oh, I'm almost out. It's kind of like, it smells like orange sherbet, like a dreamsicle. It smells so good. But these powders, they, like it said, they are very buildable, so they can be subtle, or if you keep layering it, they can be really blinding. I will do some swatches. Ooh. And then the darker one, I've actually like been putting over my bronzer. Ooh, I could actually use that as an eyeshadow. That would be really pretty. But since it's too dark for me to use as a highlighter, I've been just putting a little bit over my bronzer. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Like I said, I am in love with GLAMGLOW. Moving on, the next product I want to talk about is the MORPHE Continuous Setting Mist. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I finally did. End of story. Alright, no, I'm just kidding. But I really do like it. I like how fine the mist is, and it's just super refreshing. I love, it smells good. It's not overpowering, but it has like a hint of a floral fragrance, and I just love the aerosol. I mean, it does make your skin look really good too. Sometimes if I'm wanting a really glowy look, I'll use like an illuminated one over it, but I really like how it sets the makeup. It gives it a very like natural finish without being too matte or too dewy. Alright, the next product is this NARS Narcissist palette. Okay, here it is. But I basically did a comparison of this and then my next product, which is the Makeup Revolution blush palette. But these NARS blushes, NARS has the most amazing blushes. They are just so pigmented. They have a pigment, but not too much, and they just blend out so beautifully, and it's just like the perfect formula. It's like flawless, and I just love these colors. I think they're really unique, especially this purple one, and this like one right here, I think it's a highlight, but I've been like putting it over, like if I use this one, or I have this one on right now, and I put a little bit of that over it. I'm in love with this palette, but it is expensive. It's $59. So on my blush quest, I also got this Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Sugar and Spice, and this was $3.50. So this is far more affordable and easier to open. So this comes with 8 shades. 6 of them are matte, and 2 of them are like shimmer, like blush highlight or like blush toppers, and I really like this too. I mean, the formula of the NARS is better. Yes, it's gonna be better, but the formula of these are not horrible. They're really good, and they're very pigmented. They're a little bit more on the chalkier side, but they are still a really good formula. I'm just saying compared to the NARS, but for $3.50, I like this more than some of like my, you know, like Clinique blushes, which were $20 each. And this was $3.50. And I love like all the pinks and corals. That is so my vibe. Oh, I love both of these palettes. I'm really glad I got them. So the next two products, I'm going to include them together, are these Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks from his summer collection in, oh no, the bottom came off of this one. This is Soft Serve, which is like a coral nude, and 818, which is a pastel coral orange. I'm wearing Soft Serve with a little bit of chrysanthemum, which is another liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star, in the middle. But I have been obsessed with both of these. I've been wearing one of them every day. Every day. If you like corals and nudes, trust me. Here, I'll just do quick swatches. So this is Soft Serve. My ring light broke, so my lighting is usually better. And this is 818. Oh my god, this one looks so amazing on. It's not picking up like it should. Why did you have to break, ring light? Why? Okay, I have two more products real quick, and they are brushes. I know I don't include brushes very often in my favorites, and it's usually because I have so many other products and my video is already too long that I don't talk about them, but I do love brushes, and I need to include my favorite ones more in my favorites because, okay, so this isn't a new favorite, but I did get a new one, so I figured I would mention it. And it is the Morphe M1, I caught that, do you see that? M150, and I use this as a highlighting brush. If you watch any of Jaclyn Hill's videos, you probably already know what this is. So moving on. The next one is this e.l.f. highlighting brush. I've not been using it as a highlighting brush. What I really liked this for was setting powder underneath my eyes after concealer. Like my Hourglass powder, this worked really well setting my face. And this could probably also be used for blush. Like who would use, I mean, I might use that as a highlighter, but that would be a pretty big highlight. Alright guys, well, those are all my products for July. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what some of your favorite products are. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. That's all, folks. Bye.